Hey, thanks for joining me today. We're gonna do my favorite Ragin Cajun bites. It's the perfect appetizer for any tailgating party. I know the Super Bowl is coming up, so you might wanna jot this recipe down. Let's get started. So you're gonna need some andouille smoked sausage, shrimp, I like to get the large ones, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, some parsley, salt, pepper, and some pretty little toothpicks. So now we're gonna slice the sausage. I like to use the Ragin Cajun smoked andouille sausage. It is super spicy, I love it. It's got the perfect amount of kick to it. So if you can find it, this is your winner chicken dinner. So you wanna cut bite-sized pieces. I do it at a slight angle. You wanna make sure that you can fit it in your mouth. Otherwise, people are gonna be really irritated that they have to take 2 bites. All right, once you've sliced your sausage, you're going to pop them in the oven. I used to actually sear them on the stovetop, but I realized that it's a lot quicker to just pop them in the oven. I can't honestly tell you what temperature and for how long, but don't worry, I'm gonna figure it out and let you know in the description below. Next, we're gonna marinate the shrimp. I'm gonna use my half tablespoon of garlic powder, my tablespoon of onion powder. That looks like a lot, doesn't it? It really does, but I promise you it's gonna taste good. And then about a tablespoon and a half of my chili pepper, a little bit of sprinkle of some parsley, pinch or 2, salt, pepper. All right, once you have your pan piping hot, and you can kind of feel it, I like to put a little bit of butter, a little bit of olive oil. Has anybody noticed my gator shirts? Go Gators. You're not a gator, see you later. Once your olive oil and your butter mixture is nice and hot, you're gonna place them in the cast iron pan. If you don't have a cast iron, then you know whatever you got is gonna work perfectly fine for you. When you're putting the shrimp in the frying pan, make sure not to put them too close together, otherwise it'll steam the shrimp, which you definitely do not want. You want a nice sear on the shrimp. All right, once you put them all in, you're gonna let them cook for a couple minutes. Shrimp tend to cook really, really fast, and I'd love to say, oh, cook it for 2-3 minutes on each side, but every pan is different, every stove top is different. Mine cooks really, really fast. Like I've literally put this on, I don't know if you can see, for about 1.5 minutes and they're already done. So I'm gonna quickly turn them before I burn them. And now it's time to plate it. You have your sausage, it's cooked. Your shrimp, it's cooked. Super simple, and yet very fancy schmancy looking, no? I love these. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification button below. Thanks.